So welcome everyone to the presentation of OneWorld. So there we go to our website. So it's loading currently. So there we are at a login page. So initially one would not have an account, so we will have to sign up. To sign up we have to write our first name, last name and all our details. So let's say we have Alex Williams, city let's say Milan, Italy, occupation let's say student, add picture here. So we add a test picture here. Email let's say alex at xmail.com, password let's say 987, and here we enter register. So you see it's loading currently, the user is being saved, so registered successfully. Now we log in here. So alex at xmail.com, password was 987, so we log in there. So it's loading currently, and there we are on our home page. So here we can see all the posts that users have already posted here. So we can see all these posts, and also we have our light mode and dark mode feature. So this is the dark mode. You can see the screen is now black and all the components have been adjusted accordingly. And there we can go back to our light mode also, and here we can log out. So let's log in again to explore the website. You see, if you enter invalid password, you will get this invalid credentials warning, and then we log in again. So there we are. So here you can see we have other users also. We can add friends like this. You see, you click this button, friend added, then you remove the friend and you see friend removed successfully. So let's have a couple of friends for now. You see all these posts here. So this way we can add our friends here. So this is a friend list. So now let's try adding a post. So let's say I want to add a post of let's say Milan, Italy, and there I upload an image, add image here. There we have the file. I can directly create a post without an image also, but let's say we create a image here also and we click on post. So the post is currently being saved, and there it is, post added, and this is the photo here. So we can like it and we can comment on it also. So this way we can comment also. So there is a post and there is a comment, and similarly we can like the post of others also, and we can comment on others posts also. So this is how the post functionality is working in this. So and how where is all this data being stored? This is, we are storing this on MongoDB. So let's say we refresh our MongoDB here. So there it is currently loading, the page is loading, and we will see where our user data is being stored. So this is our users database, and we can see all the users which are being stored here. So here we see this Alex Williams email and other things, and see the password. The password is being stored in hashed form. We had entered a normal string password, but here the password has been hashed and is being stored in an encrypted form. And where is the picture profile picture being stored? It is being stored on Google Firebase. So this is where the Google Firebase is being Firebase is loaded, and here we can refresh to see all of the files that are being stored here. So it is currently loading. So there we have uh, this photo here. It was a profile picture of the current user, and the Milan image which was used in a post, it has also been successfully added to the Firebase database. And now if we see our posts, so this is a post database, and all the posts are being stored here in MongoDB. And here you can see all the post description, user, and the picture in the photo in the post is being stored on Google Firebase. So this is how our database is working. So now we go back to our site. So now let's click on somebody's profile. Let's say I click on James Smith's profile, and there it is. I can see all the posts created by James Smith and his friend list also, which currently has only Alex. So we go back to our home page. Similarly, I can see any of my friends pages also. So I click on Akash's page here, and here I have all his posts, And not only this, we can also search for users. Let's say I search for Akash here. I press the search button and there it is. So the profile page of Akash has loaded, and here I can see all of his posts. I can like them, I can comment on them. There I like this post, and the like count goes from 4 to 5, and then I can unlike it also 5 to 4. Then I can like it again. So the search is also working. But if I search for an invalid user, let's say ABC, and no such user exists, then we have this user not found page, and we can safely redirect to our home page. So this was our post feature. And not only this, we can also sort our posts according to categories. Let's say I want to see individual posts only. So every post has a tag category badge on it. Let's say this one is an individual post, this one is also an individual. So now we are only seeing the posts which have the individual badge. Now I want to see political posts. So now I am seeing only those posts which have the political tag. Similarly, I can see entertainment posts. Similarly for sports and others. So this is how we have created the filter option. And if I want to see all categories, then all categories. And where this is created here, while writing a post, you can select the option from here which category the post belongs to. And not only this, we can also sort according to the number of likes. Let's say I sort by the most popular. So this photo has 5 likes, this one has 5 likes. Let's say I get it to 6. So now see, it has 6 likes, so it comes to top. This one has now 5, this one 4, this one 3. So and similarly to the bottom where we only have posts with 1 likes. So this is how sorting by popularity works. And if I go back to latest, the latest post which was only 4 minutes ago, that is at the top. Then this one 27 minutes ago at second, 12 hours ago. So in this way we can filter our posts as well. So that was basically all of the social media feature. But this is not it, we also have a messenger feature. So if we go to messenger here, we can see our friends and we can select any of our friends and then start a conversation with them. So let's say I created a conversation here with James Smith. Now I can chat with him. Similarly, I created a conversation with Akash. Now I can chat with Akash also. So let's open another window and log in with Akash's ID. So we go to our website. So there it is. We log in with the credentials. So there we are now on Akash's profile. Let's use dark mode here. See, we can see the post by Alex here. We can like this post by Alex. We can comment on it. You see there's the comment here. And if I check Alex's post again and see that the like has been updated, the comment has been updated. Now let's check the messenger feature. So there we are, there we go back to the messenger. There is Akash's profile. We go to his messenger and then let me use split screen for a better understanding of this. So here I select Alex, here I select Akash. So now Alex sends a hi, and you see instantly, without any kind of delay, Akash has received this hi. Now Akash sends a hello to Alex. Press send, and there's the hello on this side with the profile picture. So how are you? And instantly the message is here. See, great, the message goes there. Chat is very fast. So we send this message and see, there it is. Yes. So that's how this works instantly. And similarly, let's say Akash has other conversations also. This was a conversation with Alex Williams. There we have another conversation with, let's say, James. There have this conversation. Similarly, with the timestamp, you can have 12 hours ago, 12 hours ago. Similarly, the chat goes on here. And by default, when you click on a new chat, it automatically brings you to the bottom of the chat, so that you do not have to scroll through the entire chat to get to the latest message. So that is how it works. Here the chat of Alex. And so this was a messenger feature, and now we can go back to our home page. So this is Alex's page, this was Akash's page where we saw all the chat. So now we close this window. So that was how our messenger feature was working. similar, and this was all from our social media website, where we can sort according to categories, we can sort according to likes or according to time. We can uh, chat with other users also, and then we can finally log out, log in again, and then check all of the features here. And here we had our database and our Firebase storage. All our messages are being stored here on MongoDB. Here we can see all the message along with the text and the sender and the conversation ID. And whenever a conversation is created, its members are also stored here stored successfully on our MongoDB. So that was all the working of our website. So a final login, how the website looks. So loading. So this is our home page. Dark mode, light mode, messenger in dark mode, selecting chats, writing messages. Everything is instant. You see, the last message was 59 minutes ago, and this one just now. So everything is in real time here, and there is no delay. All of our database gets updated instantly, and here is our Firebase storage with all the images. You see all these image profile pictures and the post images that have been created are all safely stored here. And this is our chats. So that was all from our side in this application. Hope you enjoyed this video.